Alrighty, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We're doing Chrome Dortmund Transcendent number 3. 40 spots. Everybody who got a spot is going to get one card. So for every spot that you bought, you're going to get one card, either a base card or an auto card. 20 autos, 20 base cards. Again, base cards are not guaranteed to be all 20 players. They're all mixed up, so we could get good players. We could get anyway the top 4. First time we got 6 of the top 4. Last time we only got 1 of the top 4. Hopefully, this time will be better. Anyway, all right. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Watch it on YouTube, guys. Make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the little subscribe button. And thanks again, guys, for the likes. 26 already today. Thank you. Appreciate that very much. All right. So let's get going. Yes, we're going to start opening and making a list of all the cards, and then we shall go from there. Let me see. Where is the list? There it is. There's the list. Okay, let's put that there. Minimize that as we don't need it right now. Put that up there. Put this up there. That's just telling you how many spots you have in the break. That there is just telling you how many spots you got. This up. Take that out. And we'll take out the box of cards. We got that and the 20 autos. Your battery is running low. Okay, that's not good. Hold on a sec, guys. Why is my battery running low? This is not plugged in. Okay, let me plug the PC in really quick, guys. It says my battery is running low. Why is my battery running low? There it is. That's why it's running low. Alright, there we go.